What's up guys, this is Michael and welcome back to Naked Crypto. Here on Naked Crypto, I'll show you what coins to buy, what coins to sell. It doesn't matter if we are in bull market, it doesn't matter if we are on bear market. Anyway, in today's video, I'm going to show you the true support and resistance. So stick around. So anyway guys, I'm Naked Crypto because I don't use any indicators. So guys, make sure to read the disclaimer. This video is only intended for educational and entertainment purposes only. So guys, before we start, empty your cup so that it may be filled. So right now we are on support and resistance. So understanding support and resistance. So what is support and resistance? So support and resistance, areas where price has to react to from the past and can potentially react again in the future, also known as floor and ceiling. And what is support? It is the price level at which demand is thought to be strong enough to prevent the price from declining further. And what is resistance? It's the price level at which selling is thought to be strong enough to prevent the price from rising further. This is the support here from the bottom, and usually the resistance here. So this is the floor and the ceiling. Okay, so how to draw support and resistance? So we have to go to the higher time frame first, which is the monthly to daily, and draw the levels and adjust the most number of touches. Okay, now let's go to the charts. Let's find this is on the monthly, right? So on the monthly, so let's see somewhere here guys. So let's find somewhere there. Okay, so right now these are the support, right? So we have one touch here, two, almost here, this one, and yeah, if you see this one, this little guy here, so and here, look at that, and here, for sure on the lower time frame we can see this support and resistance here on the lower time frame. And look at this guy, and for of course this one, this candle here, because this is in the monthly, a little bit difficult. And of course this candle here, if we can go to the lower time frame, and this one, and also on the support level here, the price struggled here, and of course it reacted here, and of course this doji here, it reacted here, and another here, it broke here though. But this candle here, there's a wick here on, if we go to the lower time frame. Okay, so let's move. Okay, so what happened in the future? So we started here, and what happened on the future? So we see the price reacted somewhere here again, right? And another here, and this price struggle here. Of course, the price struggle here, and the price might go up here. Okay. So sorry guys, I'm using Forex right now because if we go to other assets, maybe here, S&P, so reacted here, and here. Okay, so probably here too. This is S&P 500. Not much bounces here, so that's why I'm using Forex. If we also check out some, let's say Tesla, not much. Okay, not much support and resistance. Here, Netflix, similar, not much. Okay, not much. Even Bitcoin, if we use Bitcoin, not much. Okay, well, yeah, sure, we can do this support and resistance here, but yes, the price reacted here right now for Bitcoin, but yeah, for educational purposes, there's not much support and resistance compared to Forex. Okay, let's go backtrack again here. Let's see somewhere here, and let's see somewhere here. Okay, so of course the price reacted here, 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 and here. Okay, so that is your resistance, and for your support the price reacted here, here, and here. Okay, and of course almost here. So if we go further, so as you can see, the price almost touched here, reacted here. Of course, all reacted. Lots of the touches here, here. Of course, on a small time frame, the price again. See, there you go. So this little guy here, this candle there, oh, for sure it reacted, and of course it reacted here. So if we can move again, so yeah, the price reacted here. Yeah, for sure it reacted on this all the levels here. Okay, and there you go. And another example is USD JPY, the price somewhere here. Okay, so the price somewhere here, right? So of course the price reacted somewhere here, here, here. See in the future though, so nothing in here. So let's go down and let's see the price somewhere here. Let's see, somewhere here too. Okay, and there. Okay, so we can, as you can see, the price reacted here, 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 almost here, and of course the price reacted here, almost here. And for your another support or resistance, it doesn't matter what you're looking to. So another here, of course, reacted somewhere here, several touches here for sure, and there you go. And here, of course, this one, beautiful, and of course the price reacted here. And for your support here, similar, we have here, and of course on the lower time frame, and there you go, lower time frame, lots of touches here on the lower time frame, here, here, and almost here. Okay, so if you can see, even in the future, the price reacted here. Okay, reacted here, 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 here. Okay, similar here, here, it broke here, and the price stopped here for sure on the lower time frame. Okay, so another example, let's see, somewhere here, here, somewhere here. Okay, so of course the price touch here on the support here or resistance, the price reacted here, and of course the price reacted here, several touches here, of course, here and here. Of course, now in the future, as you see in the future, the price reacted here and here, almost here, and here. Look at that, beautiful. Look at that, this candle here, and the price bounced back and forth here, and of course somewhere here too. The price reacted on this on these levels here. See, look at that, beautiful. Okay, look at this, look at this. The price reacted in the future. So that's how you support and resistance. And on our next video, we're going to do in a lower time frame. So if you find this video informative, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have some questions. And of course, I'll see you in the next video on a lower time frame.